Well, Beyonce was butchering an Elton John song on the new Lion King soundtrack. A lot of animals being killed in Africa, particularly lions. Over 50 of them are killed every year for their skin, for their ivory, for their fancy things that you white people want to see in hotel rooms when you visit Africa. Today we're here on Candelabra Street in Thorngrove in Bulawayo in Zimbabwe to see one of the most endangered species in its natural habitat. The species constantly migrating to Namibia, to Botswana, to South Africa, to Johannesburg, to Cape Town and South Africa. We have it live here in its natural habitat. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here today to present the Golfalo. Mr. Jack Speed, how are you doing?
I'm lekker, bruh.
Yes,
it's
sir.
Jackspot, the only nerd. What's up, Uncle Steven and Gladys? As soon as they fix that passport issue, we're coming to Cape Town next year. Ah, you Jack, mate. Hey.
Yes.
Oh, now lekker not. In a different mode. Ah, where? Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof.
Okay, so we're here on Candelabra Street with Mr. Jack Speed. Mr. Jack Speed, can you tell us how the economic environment in Zimbabwe has affected your livelihood?
You check out, mate. As soon as they raised that bread price, I went quiet. I was like, men shall not live by bread alone. But beer prices went high. I was like, you, see us go for loans.
Let's go for loans?
Sorry, it's business, but I always check on other cars.
I understand.
See, as soon as beer prices went high, I was like, you know, as go for loans, beer is our pride. And from time to time, we swallow that pride. You check.
Amazing.
You see, yesterday I was attending our meeting, you know, our colored-owned meeting.
Oh, the AGM. Yes, I heard about it.
So we're sitting there, you know, eating our maputi, you know. Uncle Stephen stood up and said, hey, why are colored people not getting jobs in this nation? Tune me, man. Have you seen a colored cop? A colored makokoba?
No, shit.
We also want to chow the mubida.
And the potatoes.
Yeah, exactly, mate. We want the zehlati, matama, huh? That's what we want, but give those deals to Amuntu. We want the petrol deals. These are the deals that can shape us as a Gulf world.
How about Parliament? Have you looked further into places like Parliament to say for your representation of your kind?
You see, the Parliament, man, it's like the Godini project. Not even one Gulf. Check out, we have got a white on there, and we have got a Muntu there. Why is Zimbabwe failing to mix that shit up and have a Gulf on there? You check. I checked that own come here and said, you know what? I'm talking about peanut butter project, chicken project. Is it a fucking joke? Hook us up with a petrol deal.
I'm wondering, where would you find petrol in Zimbabwe today?
Caps building, bruh. Pakona pa Angwa na South Avenue.
Caps building.
It's like our culture of drag racing, bruh. It's all gone. Colored people don't brag. We drag.
That is your culture.
We burn the tires, mate. But how can we burn the tires? The fuel price is high like this. Huh? We used to do like a full circle, now it's a semicircle. Soon we're gonna have big O's just pushing the car like this. The culture is gone, man.
Like
and
that.
I don't, yeah, mate, I don't blame it on anyone. It's ED, man.
Erectile dysfunction.
Sorry, I meant it's EG.
Not economic dysfunction?
No, man, I meant every example that has to be put in the government, everything that has to go with us. Golf loans are not included in the Constitution under Section 8.
What about Section 9?
Of what, dope? We always dope, man. You know that, man. You know that.
Tell me more about your plight.
No, I can't be rapping on my own, man. Spinks, come here. Tune the camera, man. Tune them how we feel as golf loans.
Mr. Spinks, how are you doing?
Hello, Mangoma Teko the Ribus Nafan.
Yes, salam alaikum.
Spinks, what's that you rapping, man?
Pato,
Pato? You accent is pegged.
get me the emergency kit.
But we promise that we use that on emergencies and Independence Day, mate. Spinks.
I cannot attend colored meetings with this accent. Grab the emergency kit.
What you mean you cannot attend, Spinks? Come on, mate. Try it. Talk to me, Spinks.
I'm trying, but I cannot attend.
Okay, you're now not giving me any choice, but you're giving you the dynamite. You know, it might kill you or heal you, but all's got to know the real you. You check. Spinks! You should have taken a sip, mate.
I'm high as a kite, mate. This shit is so nice. I'm about to take a flight.
Fly away, mate. You see, this is how it starts. First it was the teeth, now it's the accent. With the climate change, he's gonna lose his complexion. I don't wanna be a Muntu, man. Jackspot, a Muntu. No, man, it's a no-no. We're forgetting from this nation. We're fucking off.
Folks, it has been the breaking news. Folks, it has been the breaking news. Folks, it has been the breaking news.